So here's how the story goes. My wife and I were at the pool with our granddaughters, and I was sitting on the edge of the pool, and my wife casually walked by. It was a walk by assault, is what it was, because she casually walked by and said, "Oh, I've never noticed before, but your hair's thinning out." And she just kept walking like it was no big deal. And I work in an industry, in the television industry, where looking young is important. And that started this kind of journey on. I probably took 20 pictures at the top of my head, and all different lighting and all different angles and all different, situations, and confirmed that yes, in fact, she was right. And I always said inventory is never an issue with me, and it became an issue. So I started this journey of finding a doctor that I could trust, that I believed in, that had integrity, and I saw several of them, and I chose Dr. Michael McCracken because, the first thing he said to me is, "You're not a candidate for hair transplant, but I can help you." And I just appreciated that level of integrity, and that's why I chose Dr. McCracken. The team at Denver Hair Doctor was on time. We sat down for the consultation, went through, took some pictures. It was just so simple, so straightforward, and like I said, so honest. That's what impressed me the most, and that's why I chose Denver Hair Doctor, and why I know that you can trust them just like I trust them. I think the biggest change in my life, listen, I was a professional athlete. I've been on television for 20 plus years. I've been blessed to do all those things. Confidence, I've never lacked confidence. That's never been a problem. I think the biggest change for me is I don't have to think about my thinning hair anymore. And that's the coolest thing. I don't have to worry about, oh gosh, how's the camera going to catch me? When I'm calling a game on Fox, I just don't think about it anymore because it no longer exists. It's no longer a problem. What I would say to anybody that's losing their hair is it's optional. That's what I would tell you is that if it bothers you, if you don't want to lose it, if you'd like to retain it, if you'd like to grow it back, then go see my friend Dr. Michael McCracken. The bottom line is losing your hair is optional, and he's got remedies for you, and he's going to put you down the right path. He's going to steer you straight, just like he did with me. And I think that's the biggest thing, is that you can trust him. He's based in integrity, and he's going to steer you the right direction. And that's what I appreciate most about him.